Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing May's BoxyCharm. Let's get into it. So this is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and I love this product. Like, I love this product. So when I use this, I'm usually wearing like full coverage makeup, and it literally, like, it melts everything off. It's amazing. This product is $28 and it is meant for all skin types. The only thing that I have with it, it just makes me feel my skin a little bit dry. Once I add lotion to my face, it literally goes away. So yes, I love this product. Okay, so the next product is this. It's the Lustre Cream Eyeshadow.
So I set my eye primer with a powder, and then I used a purple eyeshadow before applying the cream eyeshadow. I found it looks better with an eyeshadow underneath instead of on its own. So the cream eyeshadow itself gives more of a gold shimmer rather than a purpley shimmery look like in the bottle. I found that blending it out with your fingers works the best, and to build the shimmer, keep the layers thin and wait for them to completely dry, or else the color will lift and it will start to look very patchy.
So I'm not really like, I don't really love this product, but I don't hate it as well. It doesn't give you like a purple pigment underneath, it's more of a shimmer. And another thing that I'm not a big fan of is that if you add too much, it kind of like gets a little patchy. So it's not like 100% buildable, but you can kind of build it up, you know, a little bit. So the next product is the Alamar Cosmetic. This is their blush trio, and it comes with 3 different shades, obviously. And we got in a lot of products from Alamar. They're amazing. This is a very cute package. It's great for traveling, and bitch, it has a mirror with it. Anything that comes with like a good mirror, I always love it. I am wearing the blushes on my cheeks. I'm not a big blush person, but lately I've been into it, and I really love this because it comes with 3 of them. I've been loving this peach one. The blushes, they're very pigmented, but when you apply them on, they do apply very natural, but you can build it up. But yeah, these are the blushes, and the one that I'm wearing, what did I use? Isla. And if I look very sweaty right now, it's because it's really hot.
The blushes are not matte. They do have a bit of a shimmer, but it's not very intense. It's more of a subtle glow.
Okay, so these 2 last products I used together on my lips. I'm using this lip pencil by Vintage, and this is in the color, I believe, Mocha, and it does retail for $21, and honestly, one of the best lip pencils I've ever tried. It glides on like butter. It's amazing. It's very pigmented. I've been using this a lot on my lips lately. I also used it to create like big lip illusion because it's amazing. I love this lip pencil. And then I'm also using this Laurant. So I'm using the Laurant lip gloss. It's very pigmented. It's not like sticky on the lips. It smells like vanilla.
And the lip pencil, you guys, it's honestly one of the best lip pencils I've seen. It literally just glides on your lips. And the gloss, it's very pigmented, as you guys can see, but it's still very wearable.
So pretty much everything that I did get in my BoxyCharm, I am wearing it on my face. The only thing that I'm not is obviously this. Anyways, that's it, you guys. This was a very quick review, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Anyways, that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.